Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive app, you should just go to Settings. Here in this page, you click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window of Google Drive and you click, as you see here, Drive app. Then we click for Stop. After that we click Storage. Then we click Clear Cache. And in the end you can go to Play Store. You can search about Google Drive and you will find here uninstall. Then you can wait 3 seconds to uninstall again your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.